Graham Baylis was born in 1957, and has, therefore, seen the birth of the Internet and experienced at first hand just how it has changed the world we live in. His first exposure to computers was in the 1970s when he bought a Sinclair ZX81, progressing over time to the Amstrad CPC 464. However, it was not until 1983 that he really started using them in earnest, programming computers in Fortran and COBOL whilst taking an HNC in computer science. At that time, programming meant using cards and punch tape. How things have changed over the years. The first job he held which involved computers started in 1984, in the DHSS in Bootle on Merseyside. Whilst working in a section dedicated to bringing computers into every office in the UK, Graham produced a number of computer-based systems to assist in the day-to-day operation of the department. In 1987 Graham transferred to the CCTA, Central Computer and Telecommunication Agency, part of the Treasury in London. Here he ran the help desk and marketing program for what was then quite new, that of an electronic mail system, complete with secure connections to allow for better interdepartmental communication. He was promoted later that same year and later took control of the section until a successor for his boss could be appointed. During this time he represented the department in Brussels and at the Institute of Electrical Engineers. In 1988, he left the service and joined AT&T in Redditch as a project manager, assisting their rollout of a brand new form of communication system. His other jobs at AT&T included logistics, where he created a stock control system that ensured that the right equipment was available when needed. He was also appointed information manager, where he first became involved with the Internet. Seeing the potential, he wrote a short paper and submitted it to management, getting approval to set up an intranet. This soon became the go-to place for information. In 1999, after leaving AT&T, Graham set up his own internet company, initially as a web designer, later moving the focus of the company, first to Google AdWords, pay-per-click, search marketing, and later to search engine optimization. Since then he has worked with a whole range of clients, from the small one-man band, to large multinationals. Mostly self-trained, he has attended numerous webinars and courses, his most recent certification being from Search Engine News. In conclusion, he is proud to be running, in his view, the best SEO company in Hereford, possibly the only one that concentrates solely on search engine optimization. His 19 years experience allowing him to provide top quality services to all of his clients.